So parents, you're noticing that when your child wants something, they're starting to lead you to it or point to it, but they're just grunting and they're not saying the word for it. Every day, speech therapists use skills to turn these grunts into true words, and I'm going to teach you how to do this at home with your child. First, let's remember that pointing, grunts, or sounds are attempts at communication. It's your child's way of getting your attention and letting you know that they want or need something, and that is a great starting point. So here are a few strategies that you can use right away. Number one, model the word for them clearly. If your child grunts while they're reaching for a snack, model the word for them. Make it simple and repeat the word over and over again for them. Number two, give them a choice. This is a very natural way to help them say the word themselves. And it also makes their communication a lot more intentional when you give them two choices and they pick one, even if it's just pointing. So when they're grunting for something, instead of just handing it over right away, go ahead and show them two choices, hold them up and label them, juice or milk. This encourages them to look when you hold the items up to your face. When you hold the items up to your face, this encourages them to look towards you, to look at your face as you're saying the words, and encourages them to communicate more intentionally by pointing, or to even try a sound or to say the word for what they want. Number three is that you want to accept those attempts that are just close enough to the word. At the early stage, when children first start saying words, we do not expect perfection. And in fact, it can encourage them to communicate and try words more and more, the more that we accept these close enough attempts and don't try to get them to repeat a word over and over again to try to say it correctly. So if your child just says k for cracker at first, then just accept this and say, yes, you said cracker. Don't repeat the incorrect way back to them. Repeat it correctly, but bring positive attention to their trying and say, that's right, you want a cracker. Having them repeat it and trying to say it correctly can just bring the wrong kind of pressure towards talking, and that's not what we want to do when we're trying to encourage children to say more words. Number four should be very easy to build into your daily life, and that is to use routines. Build words into your everyday moments that makes it really easy to repeat these simple words, like saying up every time you lift them up, or saying bye every time you leave a room. Children learn best through repetition, and this is also true when it comes to learning to say words. Remember that grunts are an attempt at trying to communicate with you, so be responsive. And with your active support, I am sure that in no time, your child will be learning to turn those grunts into sounds and sounds into words. But if you do have concerns about your child's speech and language development, then please seek some extra support in your local community, either with your pediatrician or with a speech therapist. And to help you know exactly what to expect about your child's communication milestones and to help you see the big picture, I have a free roadmap on communication from birth to 5 years old that you can get for free down in the description below. Let me know what words your child is working on down in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, then please like and subscribe so that I can make more videos just like this to help families just like yours.